Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, commenting and sharing. So guys, last night we had a big snowstorm and it's actually still snowing right now. I will show you. So the storm was actually so big. It's still snowing and it's going to continue for the next like 3 hours. We are expecting like more than 1 foot of snow. So this is what it looks like outside. So they haven't really started to plow the snow, but I'm sure maybe they are waiting for the snow like to go down before they start plowing in my area where I live. So, and I'm actually headed out. You know, we have to do what we have to do. Sometimes you wish you stay at home, you don't need to go anywhere. But things happen and I really need to go outside to the store to get some items for myself. And that's where I'm headed. So let me show you around a little bit. So guys, this winter hasn't been so bad like it has been in the previous years. Last year it wasn't so bad. This year too, but at least this year there's been a few times we have had a snowstorm. Actually, we had a blizzard recently, which was bad. But this one was not so bad like it has been. But it's the typical weather at this time of the year. I'm just checking at the road to see how it is. I heard them blowing, but I'm not sure how bad it is. Actually, I think it's slippery. It's slippery. And I don't know why they haven't plowed it yet. I mean, if they did, they did not remove a lot of snow. Guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. So we have salt here that they will put after they plow the snow, and I think salt helps with the melting of the snow. Oh, the snow is still coming down. So guys, this is my car and I'm headed out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm brushing the snow off. The good thing is today it's not as cold as it has been in the previous days. And actually the sun is coming out. Maybe I should have started the car. I mean, the warmth will usually help the snow to come off easily. Guys, I'm almost done. If I start the car and turn on the heat, the remaining snow will fall off pretty fast and we will head out. So I'm hoping the roads will not be as bad as expected. That should be good enough to go. Yeah, I mean, I removed most of the snow. If I start the car now, the remaining one will melt off. So guys, thanks for watching. Continue subscribing to my channel. More content is coming up. Like and share. Until next time, bye bye.